Good morning, I'm Amy Boshell, and I will be doing assignment number 7, part 2 for ED 560 Mindful Leadership for Athens State University. We will be going over 5 examples of how using the concepts of mindfulness can change an organization. The first concept that I came up with was stress reduction. You can see from the PowerPoint that organizations have shown practicing mindfulness reduces stress. Mindfulness-based therapy is a promising intervention for treating anxiety and mood problems in clinical populations. Participants who experienced mindfulness-based stress reduction had significantly less anxiety, depression, and distresses. So you will see it will help create a happier, stable employee that you want for your organization. The second concept that I chose was focus. If your mind is clear and you're focused, you're going to see from mindfulness meditation that effective participants' ability to focus attention and suppress distractions or just distracting information. Mindfulness meditation practice and self-reported mindfulness were correlated directly with cognitive flexibility, which I will talk about later on in the presentation, and attentional functioning. If you're focused, you're going to have less errors, I think, and also you're going to have more ideas, because if you're focused on what you're doing, you're going to be able to do it better. And I think for organizations, that is something they want. They want to have focused employers for them working for the best for their companies. The third concept that I came up with was working memory. Improvements to working memory appear to be another benefit of mindfulness because you want to boost working memory. Working memory is important for reasoning and the guidance of decision making and behavior. So you want your employees to have good decision making skills. So if you can do any activities or exercises with mindfulness that can help boost that working memory, that's important for you and your organization. The fourth concept is relationship satisfaction. Empirical evidence suggests that mindfulness protects against the emotionally stressful effects of relationship conflict. You want good relationships, especially with your coworkers. You want your coworkers to work well in groups together, especially with teamwork and group building. If you have a good working relationship, I think at work, it will also sort of echo down the line with your family at home and with your friends. You'll have better relationships there, because if you're happy at work and you enjoy going to your job, you're going to show up more to your job. You're going to be there. You're going to be ready to go. You're going to have a clear, focused mind and be excited to be around your coworkers and the people that you're working with. So I believe that the relationship satisfaction is very, very important when looking at an organization and making sure that your employees are happy. Last but not least is cognitive flexibility. People who practice mindfulness meditation appear to develop the skill of self-observation, which neurologically disengages the automatic pathways that were created by prior learning and enables present moment input to be integrated in a new way. Just like the lady to the right over here, she is very flexible. We're not talking about that, but we are talking about being in your organization and being able to be flexible about ideas coming up and having new ideas for your organization. I see that all 5 of these examples are good examples that it's important for organizations to look at, especially bringing in mindfulness exercises for their employees. Every organization wants better employees, to be happy employees, and to be flexible, to show up for attendance, and be there for them. So hopefully you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.